It's easily snowing about 1.5 to 2 inches an hour now. 6 to 8 inches. Localized foot or more. Atlantic City, Cape May. Heavy snow, man. This is January 7th, 2017. Just a little past 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been snowing since 5 o'clock this morning. We are approaching 4 inches of snow, and we are expecting another 4, 5, 6, maybe even a little more inches of snow to fall. Additionally, the radar is lighting up. Blizzard warnings for Norfolk, Virginia, and Cape Cod of Massachusetts, where 8 to 12 inches with localized amounts of 15 to 18 inches possible. I wouldn't be surprised if parts of Cape Cod get over 20. Philadelphia going to get 3 to 5. New York City 3 to 8. Just about. Lots of Long Island going to get over 8 inches of snow. I think we're going to top out around 7, 8 inches here in May's Landing. Probably closer to a foot in Atlantic City and Cape May. Winter Storm Helena, the Weather Channel has called it. Massive snowstorm. Lots of North Carolina, Southeast Virginia to DelMarVa, New Jersey, Connecticut, Long Island, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, getting pounded. Current temperature is 21 degrees. It's a cold snow. Ratios of 17 to 1. Liquid ratio. Winds are north-northeast, around 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting in that range. And geez, Dad, it's just coming down. Visibilities are definitely less than a quarter mile now. Snowfall rates are approaching 2 inches an hour. This is the 4th winter in a row that we have seen at least one 6-inch snowstorm or better. What a stretch it's been. Last year we had Jonas, 16 inches for the blizzard. We had 7 inches of March of 2015, and we had over 6 multiple 6-inch plus snowstorms in the winter of 2013-14. Temperature tonight will go down to the low teens. Highs tomorrow only in the mid to upper 20s. Very windy. Wind chills in the teens to single digits. Lows tomorrow night will get down into the upper single digits. Highs on Monday into the upper 20s. And then it gets into the 40s on Tuesday. And then we're into the 50s and 60s by mid to late next week with some rain. But we already have more snow this winter than we had at this point last winter. We had an inch of snow in December, an inch of snow the other night from a weak system. So this storm should bring our seasonal total to above 10 inches of snow. The average is about 16 to 18. And it's snowing from southeast Virginia all the way up to Boston this hour. Massive snowstorm. This is some god-awfully heavy snow. We're probably around 4 inches now. An event where the coast will get the most snow out of. Snowfall rates are at least 2 inches an hour. We probably got close to 5 inches now. We're here at the end of Birch Street in Mays Landing. Plows just came by. And the snow is coming down really hard. Wouldn't be surprised to see a crack of thunder here in Mays Landing. Look at this car here with these lights on it. Isn't that dope? Heavy snow. We're gonna, Dad, a foot is possible if this keeps up. A foot of snow.
Well, you really got to do it for about 4 or 5 hours.
A foot of freaking snow is possible. It's a whiteout. Visibility less than a quarter of a mile. Major snowstorm. 2 days ago, it looked like it would only be 3 inches, and then Thursday night, I upped the totals 3 to 5. Yesterday morning, Friday morning, I called 5 to 8, and that wasn't even enough. We're already at 5, and it's supposed to snow till 6, 7 o'clock, and it's about 1. January 7th, 2017. Quarter of 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and the last of the snow is getting ready to move through here. The snow is going to end by 7 o'clock, but the heaviest snow band will come to an end here within the next hour, snowing again at 1 inch to 2 inches per hour. We got over 7 inches now. My forecast called for 5 to 8 inches, and I bumped it up 6 to 10 inches earlier this afternoon. But the looks of it's still going to snow for another 2 hours. We could easily hit 8 inches here total for this storm. It's coming down very heavy again. 1 to 2 inches an hour right now, whiteout conditions. Temperature's down to 19 degrees. Very heavy snow. We'll do a final measurement once the snow is over, but we should easily end up with 8 inches.